In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Google Forms. If you've ever wanted to organize a long form into clear parts, like background info, preferences, and feedback, sections are the way to go. They help your respondents focus, reduce overwhelm, and make your form feel more professional. Start by opening your Google form. Once you're in the editor, look to the toolbar on the right side of the screen. You'll see an icon for adding a new section, represented by a square or panel shape. Click that Add Section button. Right away, a brand new section appears below your current questions. Think of each section as a page break that neatly groups related questions together. Next, personalize the new section so respondents know exactly what it's for. Click the section's title area and type a clear, concise name, like Contact Details or Project Overview. Good section titles act like signposts, so keep them short and descriptive. Just below the title, you'll see a description field. Click that and type any instructions your audience might need. This is a great place to set expectations, explain what information you're collecting, or add brief examples to guide accurate responses. Now let's add questions to this section. Click the plus icon labeled Add Question on the right. Type your question text. Then choose the question type that best fits what you're asking. Multiple choice for single-pick answers, checkboxes for multiple selections, or short answer for quick text responses. If a question is essential, toggle the required switch so respondents can't skip it. This keeps your data complete and prevents you from chasing down missing details later. Repeat the Add Section button anytime you want to create another part of your form. Build your form section by section, grouping related questions together. As you go, keep consistency in mind. Similar question types within the same section help people get into a rhythm, and brief section descriptions keep your instructions visible without cluttering the page. When you're ready to see how everything looks for your audience, head to the upper right of the editor and click the preview icon, the one that looks like an eye. This opens the form as respondents will see it, letting you move through each section in order. Use this view to check that your titles and descriptions are clear, your questions flow logically, and your required settings are correct. That's it. Open your form, add sections, title and describe them, add your questions, repeat as needed, and preview to confirm it all feels smooth and easy to complete.